Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you? How was your day today?
Yeah, I'm good and my day is very good and productive today. So, yeah, so far. And how about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm also good. My day is also going as per my convenience. So I'm happy, and today is Makar Sankranti, so I enjoy a lot.
Okay, so, ma'am, I think we are meeting first time. So, can I know something about you?
Yeah, but I want to know about you. So please give your introduction in a nutshell.
Okay, no issue. My name is Pankaj and I'm from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Yeah, I'm a private employee. My hobbies are reading books, playing cricket. I think that's all about myself.
Glad to hear that. And my name is Neetu. I'm from Kanpur, UP, and I'm a teacher. I have many students. I love my job, and my students are very lovely and curious. That's it all about me.
Okay, that's great. You just next to my seat. You can say we are just neighbor.
Yeah, correct. After hearing Prayagraj, so I feel happy because we both are in UP.
So, as you mentioned, you are a teacher. So, like you teach English subject or any other subject, ma'am?
No, I am Sanskrit teacher.
Oh my God, Sanskrit. Wow, it's a very, really, really nice subject, and it's tough for nowadays student. Like, so you are a Sanskrit teacher. So where, since when you are learning this language? Because you are speaking very well English.
No, no, no. My English is not good. I am just learning. It's 1 year completed almost, and but yeah, I left several time in midway. But more than 1 to 2 months, I am more consistent, and I hard work 1 hour daily. So
So, like you teaching Sanskrit, so how you manage and how you teach your student? What's the strategy you like take to make them understand Sanskrit? Because it's
yeah, every subject has method, like English, like math. So as it is Sanskrit also. So we start nowadays. So Sanskrit. Mostly people use include book first this year. I saw Sanskrit is include in first class student. So like easy word, like animals name, like pet, like birds name, like fruits name, vegetable names. That type of name we start in when we start na when we start English. So first we learn alphabets. So
yes,
similarly,
yes,
when we start Sanskrit, so we learn first we learn one
yes.
like Bisar, like Halan, that type of things. First chapter start like that, and slowly, it's become not tough, but process bit tough for English medium student.
You have any childhood memory? What is your favorite childhood memory?
Okay, so I live like a tomboy, and I like horse riding, tractor driving, shooting. These are my hobbies. Still, I have. And I'm very naughty person. I like to play tip cat game like gulli danda. Gulli danda we call in English tip cat game, and
Yeah,
marbles and play cards. So my card is matchbox. I took matchbox and I took out those part.
and I understand. I also played that.
And dry grass. I jumped on a dry grass all the time. So that type of my hobbies, and I'm not that type of girl. I never play with doll or any soft toys because
Okay.
I was born and brought up in a small village. And you know one day see what happened one day. My parents, due to illiteracy, my parents didn't go attend the PTA meeting. So my sir, we called that time Guruji. Guruji came for giving feedback. So one day Guruji came, and that time my brother sit on a buffalo. So he said, after seeing, I am coming here for your feedback. You are ready for my feedback. So please come down now. I never come again here. So many incidents, so many incidents. I'm not, baby doll girl type girl. So I have so many incidents. But I,
It's really very interesting. So one more question: what is like most important life lesson you have learned, and how did you learn?
life lesson, life is too short. Enjoy every day, every moment, because you don't know next second, next minute what will happen with us. So enjoy every moment, and no matter how many difficulties you have and you already faced. So forget all the things, and if we sit sad, so we didn't get any solution. So happily you find a solution and enjoy your life.
Okay, yeah, that's a good. And if you ask same question to me, so I learned one things in entire life. I think always we should value those people, whatever whose parents, friends, and family who always we should value those who add value in your life, in my life,
Yeah,
right?
correct. Yeah, correct. Because who those are close, only they will tell you. Third person never will tell you what is wrong, what is right. And if you not focus, if you not give much attention, you will pay heavier price later part of life. So
Yes,
it's
yes.
important, don't ignore those type of people. Those are think about you. I agree with you.
Okay. So you have any question you want to ask anything?
Yeah, you are in Prayagraj city nowadays. Kumbh is running. So now how you feel? Because today so much gathering in your city.
Yeah, right now I'm not in Prayagraj. Just I came from Prayagraj 4 days before, but I visited like that area. It's really very nice, beautiful, and I can't explain the my emotions and happiness and anything. It really nowadays you can see on social media everything. It's really very beautiful.
Yeah,
Looks
and
like
yeah, everywhere reels and video popped up related to Prayagraj. I feel very happy and proud. It's our
yeah.
ritual.
So I'm just planning before ending the Kumbh Mela, I will go again because
Don't don't miss this golden opportunity, because Prayagraj, your city, and Kumbh is running. So, uh, in my point of view, don't miss this golden opportunity.
even in last Kumbh, when last Kumbh was held, that time I spent my 10 to 15 days in tents. I have again same kind of a question. If you you could have any like superpower, so what would it be? And what one thing you want to change and why? Only one thing in this universe, in this world, for the best
Dowry
good.
system.
Okay, dowry system.
Yeah, if I if I God says to me, I will fulfill your wish. You can change anything. I give authority or power. So I would I I will change only dowry system. It's very bad.
Okay, so I think dowry system is not in every country. It's mostly in India. I'm asking for whole universe. I am also want to say about that things. Which one I ask question because I'm also I was expecting some things, but yeah, it's also good things. Like I asked if you. So if I had any superpower. So I things like I try to make peace in the world. Every person I just try to any kind of if I have superpower, so I try to feed any kind of software to every mind. Every man they never fight with each other, never fight with their neighbors, never fight with their neighbor countries. Just maintain the peace in the world. These things I'm really from my heart. Want
I
to
pray to
things
God.
happen.
I will pray to God. You one day you get power and spread the message of peace.
Yeah, yeah. Because since 2 3 years, what we are watching someday we are watching Israel and these country, Ukraine, Rus, and every country they are fighting, but person, their like soldiers are dying, their civilians are dying every day.
Yeah,
So
correct.
so this thing is very hurtful for us, and sometimes it's hurting to me as well.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Glad to hear that is you thought about peace.
Hmm. And if you are talking about social media, so one thing I want to say, even maximum people nowadays, most of youngster who is under 30, we can say, we consider under 30, under 25, they are addicted of social media. I was also, but not now.
Okay, so I think it's 9:15 and it's my kitchen time.
Yeah, it was really nice conversation with you, and I hope we will connect again.
Yeah, thank